Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get a voucher for DP-700 and DP-600 that is 100% free provided by Microsoft Data Certification. So Microsoft is providing the certification voucher that is the worth of that certification voucher is 30,000 approx. So we'll go through the step-by-step process to avail this. So get Microsoft Fabric certified for free and don't miss your chance to earn Microsoft certified Fabric Analytics Engineer Associate certification at no cost. This special offer is available and limited time through the Microsoft Fabric Community Campaign. So eligible participant can receive the 100% discount voucher for the certification exam. So we'll get free certification exam voucher that is 100% free discount and fast track your career in the data and AI, boost your skill on the Microsoft Fabric Analytics, recognition of your expertise on the industry. So that is the Microsoft Fabric community. So how to participate? Visit the official Microsoft Fabric community campaign from the below link. So I'll provide you the link. Fill out the details to check eligibility. If eligible, then receive your voucher and start the preparing. So this is the link. So let me open this link. So here get Fabric certified for the free. Don't miss the chance. So limited time on limited supply. Get Fabric certified for the free. So you may be eligible for get 100% discount voucher for the DP-700 or DP-600. This is a limited quantity here available. So go through this one. So if you don't receive the voucher on the Fabric Day, previously I posted the regarding the Fabric Days, Data Fabric Days. Okay. So if you avail that offer on that, so you won't get. So just try to get with a different email address, so you'll get it. So this offer only available for DP-600 and DP-700 exam. So who will be considered for this one? So join the Fabric community if you haven't already. Complete three Microsoft Learn More Fabric modules. So just click on open this one and then register for live session. So these are the live session. Okay, live stream. This event is 8 and starting from the 19th Feb. So register for this. Then prepare for the take your exam. Community to prepare your exam within 1 month receive your voucher. So agreed with term and conditions are there. So if you are eligible for that supply, you will receive the voucher via the private message in the Fabric community. If you don't receive the private message, it means you are not eligible either due to limited supply or fraud in the submission. So the exam must be taken within 1 month of receive the voucher. So I have given all the links here. So create a community account. So this is the process. So how to register for the community account? So creating the community account, then click on the register, give your email address, then complete your profile, then sign in. The next is Fabric learning modules. So this is the official learning path. So open this. So get started with the Microsoft Fabric. So just complete this thing. This is a module length path and there is a multiple modules are there. So complete the modules. So I have already completed. So you can check with the green tick. Next, register for the live session. So get certified fabric analytics engineer DP-600. So this is the live session. As I told you, just go for the detail and just register for this event. Okay. Next, so course. So I have given you the Microsoft Fabric Analytics Engineer and Data Engineer Solution course. So if you open this, you'll get the course detail. Okay. So here the course detail is there, course syllabus, and you just complete all the course, just like 90 8% I have completed. So click and save. I have to check one by one. So you have to complete this. So why it matters? This certification validates your ability to work with the Microsoft Fabric tools, analytics best practice, helping you to stand out to the data analytics and AI job market. So go through the step-by-step process to get a DP-700 or DP-600 voucher. So that is 100% free exam voucher. The worth of that voucher is approx 30,000 value, and you will be certified Microsoft data certification or AI certification. You will go for that. Now disclaimer, all trademarks, logo names belongs to their respective owners. This video made only for the education information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.